Let's talk about why Amazon KDP is not the best solution for a coach or an expert who wants to use a book to grow their business and get more customers. Why pointing your traffic to your book on Amazon is the equivalent of praying, of crossing your fingers and hoping something is going to work. And why doing this instead is actually going to make you a lot more money with your book, not just from book sales, but from people who convert from readers to high-paying clients. And I know this looks convoluted and confusing. I'm going to show you how you can install most of this in a single click. If you notice down here, I do have a screenshot of an Amazon listing, but I just said Amazon KDP was not good. Guess what? You still want to use it. If you want to use a book as the spearhead of your marketing efforts, then the Amazon listing should absolutely live in your ecosystem. But I'm going to show you the right place to put Amazon so that you maximize revenue from books and customers and clients that come as a result of book readers. Why should you listen to me? My name is Brian Elwood. I've done this 3 times, actually. I've written 3 books in 3 different niches. I used to be a real estate investor, and then I was a real estate coach, and I've pivoted since then. But it has worked every single time. I've gotten a total of 425 high ticket clients in this coaching space and done 2.1 million in total revenue. And most of those clients have come from my books. Now, the reason why I was able to make this happen comes down to this, the book funnel. So I point my traffic to a place that I could control. You've seen these before. I'm sure you've bought books in the funnels. Basically, the reason why these work so well is you get to keep 100% of the money from the people that buy from your book funnel. And you can also incentivize them to do it by giving them a bunch of bonuses. Like you'll see here, you get this when you buy $7 for the digital copy. Then you don't have to actually ship a book, which is another step. You have to have another company involved. You have to spend more money. And I predict the digital copies are actually going to be on the rise because now you can upload them to AI and have AI work with you and walk you through a book. You can only do that with digital formats. And let's say you post on YouTube and you're like, hey, go get my book. You point people to your funnel. They put their email in and they want to buy your book for $7 because they like what you're selling. The next place where you get to make more money is on the checkout page. This is where they actually put their credit card information in. And then you've seen these before. They're called order bumps. This little box that pops up that says, hey, do you want to add this to your order? And I get about 25% of the people that buy this book add this to their order. So instead of spending $7 to just get the book, now they spent an additional $14 to get an order bump. They click that, they click complete their order. Then we go to another page called the one-time offer page. And this looks like this box here. Mine's under construction right now, so I don't actually have one running, but this says, hey, your order's not complete. Watch this quick video. And then you sell something a little more premium that helps them get the result that they are after. The reason why you're doing all this, for one, we all want to make more money with our books, right? And 30 to 40% of people's spending is actually impulsive. They, at least at grocery stores, they found that to be true. That's why they put things all over the end caps that don't make sense relative to the stuff that's in the aisle, and then all the stuff at the checkout counter, because most of the stuff that people buy, or like 40% of it at least, they didn't intend to buy, which is insane. And it's an argument for getting your groceries delivered, but that's a story for another time. When someone's in the heat of trying to solve their problem, then this is the time to sell them more stuff. They've already put their credit card in, and with just clicks of buttons, they're adding more things to their order. This matters for you because the name of the game is traffic, right? That is how everyone succeeds at the end of the day. They have tons of leads. If you go and invest money into Facebook or Instagram ads or LinkedIn ads or YouTube ads, which is admittedly scary, especially if you've never done it, you're going to want to make sure you get a return on that money that you invest so that you can acquire a customer at break even or profitable. This is how Russell Brunson grew ClickFunnels, by acquiring customers profitably through his book funnels. You can't buy ads profitably if you only sell the $7 book and there's nothing else for sale in the funnel. So this is why we do all these things. And this one-time offer page is great for increasing the average cart value of the people that go through your funnel. If you have like a membership program, you can do a free trial right here. It's like, hey, you won't see this anywhere else. But right now, you can actually get a $1 14-day trial to my community, my school group, or whatever it is that you want to sell as kind of your mid-ticket thing. And let's say the retention of someone who joins is 3 months. Well, that's another $300 that you made from that customer who went through your funnel, which you can then reinvest on the front end to buy more ads, to scale even more, grow your email list, and get to that place of nirvana that we all aspire to be at. But it gets a lot better. Next is the thank you page. And this is some really prized yet underappreciated real estate in the world of funnels. It basically says your book's on the way. Watch this important video before you go. And if you see, mine is this one here in the bottom right. It's a little explainer video where I'm showing how I can help someone turn a $7 book into a $7,000 client by working one-on-one with them to write their book, to build their funnel, to rebuild their offer, and do it all together, basically. Then you see that button down below the video that says schedule a demo call. And that is how this funnel works to make even more money. Let's just say that just 1% of the people that buy your book would actually turn into a customer paying you $7,000, let's just say, to solve their problem, white glove, like you guys do it together one-on-one. That means for every 100 books that you sell, where you don't have a page like this in place, you leave $7,000 on the table, which is insane. That's a lot of money lost, right? So the thank you page is valuable real estate. And ultimately, this just makes your funnel that much more profitable when you have yet another way to ring the cash register. But it gets better, right? Because not everyone is going to book that call right then. They just bought your book. They need to read the damn thing. They might not even trust you yet. That's one of the reasons we love books, is they're the best trust building mechanism. But it can take somebody 2 weeks to read your book, or 2 months, or however long, right? The good news is, unlike Amazon, we got their email address when they bought through our funnel, along with their phone number, so we can text them too. But I'm just going to leave that out of this for the sake of not being too complex. Just email alone, you can build an email sequence. Mine is like 10 emails long, right? And someone buys my book. And these fire off, and they're easy to create because once you create the book, you're really just pulling the most important stories and lessons out of the book and putting them in bite-sized emails. And then you're saying, hey, want my help? Just as a gentle reminder, here's what it would look like if we were to work together. And you drive people back to that same explainer video. So the same one that I showed you here that's on the thank you page, I do have a different headline and color here, but it's the same video, the same pitch at the end of the day, to book a call and to see if we should work together. So you're starting to see how this ecosystem is so powerful relative to the just put it on Amazon and pray mode, right? You ring the cash register with the book funnel, the order bumps, the one-time offers, the thank you page, and then there is the email sequence. This is in here twice, it shouldn't be. And then it points them back to that explainer video to book a call and to become a client. Now, some of you are probably saying, like, what if they don't actually buy from the book funnel? In fact, a lot of people really prefer to buy books from Amazon. That is something we absolutely want to address, okay? When you build your funnel, what you do is you create something called an exit pop. So have you ever noticed if you navigate to the back arrow on a website or a funnel, they'll have like a pop-up that shows up and says, hey, wait, do this or that thing. That's an exit pop. And on your book funnel, you want to put one of those that says, wait, before you go, you can order this from Amazon, but you won't get the amazing bonuses found on this page. There's a button down here that you can't see that says click to order from Amazon. And then that takes them to that Amazon listing. The people who were not going to buy anyways, it gives you one more shot. Maybe they like Kindle books. Maybe they like audiobooks. It's a very important growing format. You can still get them to purchase your book this way. Now, the important thing is that you structure that book in a certain way to get them back on that same email list. So you give away something that's just insanely valuable in exchange for just their email in the book. You have a couple of QR codes throughout it, preferably one up front. When they download that thing, they should go to that same email sequence that we saw earlier that points them to that explainer video to book a call and to become a client. Now, this is what I was talking about earlier. This is the right way to have Amazon as a part of the customer journey. Also, let's just state the obvious. You look more legit if your book's on Amazon. You're like officially a published author. Yes, self-published still means published. You definitely want to put your book on Amazon. I'm not an Amazon hater. It's just that it should not be the spearhead of your marketing efforts. It should be an alternative way for people to consume your book, because at the end of the day, if you write the book correctly, that alone is designed to lift readers out of just being readers and into becoming clients and working with you. But it should live in its appropriate place and not be the place that you point your traffic to. So when it's all said and done, you end up with this beautiful funnel where you point your traffic to a place that optimizes the crap out of it. Like, imagine one of those juicers that you put an orange in, and it just squeezes it until every last drop of juice has been extracted. That is what a properly architected book funnel can do for your business. And then Amazon lives in there as a player in the game, but it is not by any means the entire strategy. If you're looking at that and feeling overwhelmed at the process of building out all those steps, I've got good news for you. I've built out the majority of it already. And you have the ability to simply copy paste what I've created and then go in and fill in the blanks. It's going to save you thousands of dollars in hiring funnel designers and experts to figure out how this all works. Now, I have a few different ways that I can get you this. I can literally give it to you at no cost, or I can work with you a little bit to install it, or I can really get my hands dirty with you and we can do the whole thing, including your book. It's hard for me to know what the best option is for you, given your situation. So in order to best diagnose where you're at right now and what part of this you need, DM me the word funnel on Instagram. All that will do is just start a conversation. It's not a chatbot kind of thing. It's just you and me having a conversation about where you're at, what your needs are. Maybe we'll hop on a call, maybe we won't. At the end of the day, I'm going to get you what you need in the way that is best for you, based upon where you are right now. So just DM me funnel on Instagram. I'm going to put the link to my Instagram in the description and the pinned comment. And lastly, before you go, watch this video to get a comprehensive overview of how I make $30,000 per month from my book without Amazon KDP. You're going to learn a lot of extra cool stuff in that video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.